Okay, good afternoon, guys. We're back at the Full Force Fitness Gym Center. Yesterday morning, we did two difficult routine tasks, and probably this afternoon we're gonna do another routine, the more and most difficult routine, hanging cross leg. And good morning, Philippines. Happy Sunday. It's still afternoon here in Canada. Saturday afternoon, around 1. So, okay, let's start cracking. Probably couple sets or 3 taps because it's the most difficult and the hardest ab routine workout. The hanging leg cross. Okay, guys, let's go. Okay, one down, relax about probably 30 to 90 seconds. I'll always here at the fitness coaching area. At the gym today it's not too bad at all. It's a bit quiet. Look at it, guys. Yeah, good thing though, if the gym are quiet, it's easy to jump in. See? Okay. We'll do one more, and probably that's good for the afternoon. We'll see if we can make 3. That's the hard one, guys. Target for the lower abs in that hang leg cross over. Yeah, I almost forgot to do abs this week. Yeah, I'll do abs a couple times. So we did yesterday and today as well. Yeah, don't forget to relax, guys. Take it, breathe in, breathe out. 30 to 90 seconds, guys. Okay. Whew. Holy. That's really, really hard, guys. Yeah, probably tomorrow another routine. Sit down for it. Probably that's it for the afternoon. Thank you for watching. See you next time, guys. Peace out.